Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate that. So I started out the day with drilling more anchors and measuring the... I'm not sure if I measured all these yesterday or just didn't get around to drilling them, but worked on drilling those holes on this first set of lights right here. As you can see, I kept hitting steel plates, so I had to move it over like 4 or 5 times. So finally got that done on that one, and then this last one, actually this one too, and then this one over here. I threw a box on this one because the light's gonna hang down now and not go directly to the ceiling, so I had to throw a box on this. Originally we were just gonna pipe into the side of the light, now I threw the box on there and then set the anchors for that. And then my coworkers at the end of the day lasered this way for the anchors on this, so you can see the anchor point there. Got to drill that, and then the other one is, I just lost it. It's like right there, so that'll be fun next to that pipe. And then for the other part of the day, just going around and putting the wires in the box. Didn't get to all of them, but went around and did a handful of them, me and my coworker. So just kind of left some extra wire here a little bit, just a little loop on some of these, and then stuck the wire in the box. So here's probably a few that I've done over here. Just a little bit, like little loops right there. So some of these have 3 wires, some of them have 1, some have 4, so I have to get a few of the double barrel MZ connectors for the ones with 4 wires, because there's only 3 holes in the top, because the grounding screw takes up one of the spots. So if you look up here in this box, there's only 3 knockouts, 1, 2, and 3 in that. So you have to get a few double barrel connectors for those. And so this is what we're doing for the lights. Gonna set the light on this. Obviously these need to get leveled up a little bit, but just drilling the holes and sticking those in there so the light will hang down below the 12-inch insulation. So this will hang down about a little bit actually this should be pretty flush with the insulation right now, and then there will be a little aircraft cable that hangs down below the insulation, and then that's how the light's going to be hanging. So worked on that. What else did I do today? Yeah, I think it was just making up these boxes for a while, and then drilling these out, and then setting the drop-in anchors and the rods, and just lasering this other one over here. Basically just did the 2 outside rows. So lasered these, drilled those all out, and then this is the installation area from here backwards. So these ones get the rods and the other ones do not. The other ones will just get screws in the ceiling and then hang from those. So that's what I worked on today. Oh, and I also fixed the, you didn't know it, but it's kind of unclear, but anyways, it is what it is. But fixed the fire alarm over here. It was on the ceiling, but it needed to be dropped down a foot because it's going to be in the insulation. I thought over the ramp it was going to be non-insulation, but because there's like whatever office is above, it needs to be insulated. Only the outside decking, this row over here, the outside row, and the outside row over here. Those are the only ones that don't get insulation. So I had to take that off of the ceiling and then just add these 2 90s right here and then drop it down a foot. So that was a lot easier than I thought, so that's good. And now we should be back on track, and that should do it. Thanks for watching, y'all. I will see you in the next one. It is Thursday. I'm not working tomorrow, so it is the weekend. Got my 40 hours in, so gonna be doing a question and answer video tomorrow. So if you got any questions, leave a hashtag Q&A, and I will answer that in tomorrow's video, just to make a video for you guys and hang out or whatnot, give you guys some content. So that should do it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if there's anything else, check the description. If you enjoyed, drop it a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. see you guys back here tomorrow, and check the description for anything else. I think I already said that. And hit the notification bell if you want to be if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. It seems like my views are like cut in half recently, so I don't know if my uploads aren't being pushed out to people, but I upload every day. So if you guys want to see a video, just come back to the channel, and that should do it. Or if you want the email, hit the notification bell. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you back here tomorrow. God bless. Peace out.